Recording started.
It started? Oh, oh my God! It wouldn't stop! It wouldn't stop, bro. You were like...
Also,
Video protected.
It stopped going, and I went around the turn. Luckily, the chain fell off. Otherwise, I was gonna circle around back.
I know.
I think so much.
Them brakes, bro, they don't even, like, function.
I think it's shaking too much. I don't think the clutch likes that. Maybe.
Yeah, we gotta tighten the chain.
And third shock.
Third shock? Shocks are fine. We just need to tighten.
Because then it's like, it absorbs more of the vibrations.
If we go slow,
yeah, I was trying to keep,
not slow, but like,
trying to keep it slow.
If two people, doesn't,
Yeah.
can't.
Also, when I was coming back, like it suddenly, like at the range that I was keeping at, like middle, it wasn't enough. It started to slow down a little. In fact, I thought this changed stuff again, so I applied more power, and then it went faster. And I came off with it, but it kept at that same speed.
I mean, I feel like with one person, it's fine. Bro, when you hit pulling in, I'm like, wait, he's not going to be able to stop people. I saw you. Oh,
You get off the dash cam.
Yeah, I just saved the video.
That was
Yeah?
that jack.